This is Coach Laudiaann, and I am here delivering strategies and tips on how to do stuff online. If you like my videos, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell.
Hi everyone! How's everyone doing today? I'm Coach Laudiaann. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited. Today I'm going to give you a motivational message. It's inspiring for you to know that you need to focus on yourself and don't get lost in other people, especially other people's work, okay? If you are starting a business or you're already in business already, don't compare yourself with other people. Why? Because that's going to keep you discouraged, and you're going to actually start feeling about you're not good enough because of the fact your eyes are on them and it's not on you. It's so important that you focus on yourself, okay? Don't focus on other people at all. I don't want you to compare yourself with other people at all, because if you do that, you are going to struggle. You all know the grass is greener on the other side. It's better. It looks really nice. But if you start to experience that in your life, um, your confidence actually is going to go down. All right. You're going to go down with your confidence. Why? Because you're looking at other people's work. Now, when you start to lose your focus on your own work, and you are going to get lost. All right. And I got some key tips that I can give you guys to help you keep focusing, but I'm going to share with you with that at the end of the video. All right. So what I need you to do is that I need you to not stop ever believing that you are not good enough. Okay. Because when you start looking at the greener side, the better side of the grass, what other people are doing, you're going to feel like you're not good enough. And you don't want to feel that way, okay? All right. So don't compare yourself with other people. But I do recommend that you compare yourself to yourself. All right? Because when you compare yourself to yourself, that helps you focus on making changes of what you need to change. It actually helps you challenge you to make those changes, to better you, to make a better version of you, right? And that's what I need you guys to do, okay? When you start doing those things, what benefits you is you'll be on the right track, and you get all the benefits of being the better you. So don't focus on other people, all right? So always keep yourself focused. And I'm going to give you some nuggets here about how to focus yourself. Now, focusing yourself is not selfish. Focusing yourself is actually self-love. And if you build a relationship with yourself, getting to know you, you will become more happier. You'll become more productive. Actually, you're going to become more. You'll be able to achieve more goals in your life. And I want to give you this tip that I want to share with you guys. What I do to help me focus on myself is writing a journal. Okay, write your journal, what you like, what you don't like, and start tweaking and making changes about yourself. And always keep your eyes on you. Never get lost with other people. Okay, your eyes should never be on other people. You don't want to feel that you are not good enough, because actually that's what's going to make you feel like is that you're not good enough because they're better than you. Of course, that is a lie, because you don't want to trap yourself in believing doubts within yourself. Okay, so always focus on yourself, and don't get lost with other people. Don't ever compare yourself with other people, and you're gonna do just fine. All right, guys. This is a message I wanted to give to you all. All right, and about me, guys, I have been really busy. I know you haven't seen me around. My monetization with my YouTube channel is actually in the process right now, but I did not get approved with my videos. So my AdSense got approved, my application went through, so I have to redo my videos, and it's been really time consuming. And so I've made a lot of changes, and I need you guys to go back, visit my channel, and start leaving likes and comments on my brand new videos. I actually did some changes in my channel. YouTube actually wants you to they want you to actually create original work if you want to be part of that YouTube ad program. Uh, the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, you know, that's one goal. But then you have to go through the process of monetization, which is another topic that I'm going to talk to you guys about in another video. But that's what I've been doing. I have been redoing all my videos, taking the ones that not are reused content. You cannot use reused content, guys. So I have been actually focusing on that, not so much focusing on the buddy group with the done for you service YouTube ad program, which I'm involved in. And I know many of you guys are watching this video. You're wondering, where is Coach Laudiaann? Well, Coach Laudiaann has been really busy changing her videos. All right, guys. Focus on yourself. Don't get lost with other people, and do not compare with yourself. Write your journal. Find out who you are. Build a relationship within yourself, and be a better, stronger person. All right. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.